Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert SIM cards and microSD card into Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Let's get started. To begin, we need a SIM ejector tool. So, open the retail box. Inside, you will find another box. The SIM ejection tool is here. Pull it out. Now, when you hold the Galaxy A26 like this, on the top left side, you will see the SIM tray outline and a hole. Take the SIM ejection tool and insert it into this hole and push a bit. The SIM tray will pop up. Gently pull it out. This is the SIM card tray. The first thing you notice is that it is a hybrid SIM card slot. You can insert one SIM card in this slot and another here in this slot. To insert a microSD card, you must sacrifice the second SIM card. Here is the demonstration on how to insert two SIM cards. Take the first SIM card. Place it on this slot like this. The contacts are facing down and the notch on the SIM and the tray match. Now take the second SIM card. Place it here in this slot. Like we did for the SIM 1, contact should be facing down and the notch on the SIM and the tray match. Insert the SIM tray back into the phone. To insert a microSD card, remove the SIM on this slot. Take the microSD card and place it with the contacts facing down and the notch matching the tray. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this and insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it. Make sure it is properly inserted. It may take a while to detect the network. Once it detects, it takes you to the SIM card manager page. Here, you can set the default SIM preferences for calls, messages, and mobile data in case you are using dual SIM cards. That's it for this video on how to insert SIM cards and microSD card into Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.